Hello, my name is Amara, and I'm excited to present to you my nature journal. Most of these pictures were taken in different conservation areas outside of Toronto. During the fall season, I found lots of colorful leaves, nests, beautiful feathers, and many short-horned grasshoppers. It was my first time seeing salmon swimming against the current. It was very exciting. In early September, we saw a praying mantis so well camouflaged. I saw many shelf fungus in 2020. I found lots of deer scats every time I went to walk outside. In December, I saw an empty nest. It was amazing to see how well it was preserved. This was my first time seeing the inside of a tree, and my first time seeing signs of a porcupine eating off the cambium layer of a tree. We also saw lots of deer and wild turkey tracks. This is one of my favorite pictures. It was taken in early November when the weather was not below zero. During these months, I was able to see many dens. Some had signs of animals living there, like this fox den. The following pictures were taken from September and October. There was this beautiful beaver dam in this pond. Many creatures live there, such as frogs, crayfish, and frequently there are tracks of foxes and deer nearby. While walking, I kept seeing chewed wood everywhere. Following these signs, I found the Beavers Den. It was so beautiful. It was covered in mud and wood. Also, there were fox tracks around it. An experience I will never forget. These are possible beaver tracks. When it started snowing in December, it was easier to see animal tracks. Here are some. Lastly, here are some interesting pictures. These are some drawings I made during the TFN Junior class. Acknowledgements.